Welcome back to my channel, where I deliver the latest and greatest in all things money and success. Today, I'm thrilled to delve into the world of side hustles and explore the top regular side hustles of 2024. As a self-made millionaire, I have insights to share about creating multiple streams of income, so trust my advice on this tier list. First up is ride-sharing, one of the decade's most popular side hustles. Whether you're driving for Uber, Lyft, or another app, this hustle lets you earn money on your terms. The flexibility to choose your hours and work as much or as little as you want is a major perk. Plus, with the rise of electric vehicles, you can save on gas costs and boost your earnings. Overall, I'd rate ride-sharing a solid A. Next, we have freelancing, a side hustle that lets you monetize your skills and expertise. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or social media manager, there's always demand for freelance services. Setting your rates and choosing projects that align with your passions make freelancing a top choice for many entrepreneurs. I'd give freelancing an A+ for its potential to earn substantial income and build a sustainable business. Moving on to dropshipping, a side hustle revolutionizing the e-commerce world. With dropshipping, you can run a retail business without inventory. Partnering with suppliers who handle shipping and fulfillment allows you to focus on marketing and sales. The scalability of dropshipping makes it attractive for quick income growth. With the right strategy and persistence, it can be a lucrative side hustle, earning a B+ on the tier list. Now let's discuss real estate investing, a tried and true method for wealth building. Whether flipping houses, renting properties, or investing in real estate crowdfunding, there are many avenues for generating passive income. High returns and tax benefits make real estate investing a solid choice for long-term wealth growth, earning an A on the tier list. Next, we have online courses, a side hustle to monetize your knowledge. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera allow you to create and sell courses on various topics. The passive income potential of online courses is what makes them appealing. Once created, you can continue to earn from them for years. I'd rate online courses as an AE for their scalability and passive income potential. Segment 6. Virtual assistant remote superheroes known as virtual assistants, VAs, provide invaluable administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients, freeing them to focus on core business operations. This side hustle offers ultimate flexibility, enabling work from virtually anywhere with an internet connection, and allows setting your own hours according to schedule and availability. It's ideal for individuals with strong organizational and communication skills, thriving in a fast-paced, dynamic work environment. Segment 7. Online tutoring. Online tutoring offers an excellent opportunity to share expertise in a particular subject while earning a steady income. Platforms like Chegg and Wizant connect tutors with students seeking assistance, offering flexible hours tailored to fit lifestyles. Rank, AEO, flexible hours, good income potential for in-demand subjects. Segment 8. Content creation. Content creation has emerged as a lucrative side hustle with the popularity of platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Crafting engaging content, whether in videos, photos, or other media, allows monetization through advertising, sponsorships, or brand deals. Rank B. High earning potential, though competition can be fierce. Segment 9. Blogging and affiliate marketing. Starting a blog cultivates a dedicated audience around interests and passions. Through strategic affiliate marketing, promoting products or services from other companies generates commissions for each sale through the blog. Rank B. Long-term endeavor requiring patience and consistent audience-building efforts. Segment 10. Web development and design. Freelance web development or design services leverage expertise to enhance online presence for businesses or individuals. This side hustle offers high earning potential and the chance to secure long-term clients. Rank A. In-demand skills, promising income prospects. Segment 11. Arts and crafts sales. Showcase and sell handmade crafts online through platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs. Income varies depending on product quality and marketing efforts, offering fulfillment and profitability. Rank B. Income contingent on product quality and effective marketing strategies. Segment 12. Data entry and transcription. Engage in remote data entry or transcription jobs involving accurately typing information from audio recordings or scanned documents. While flexible, these roles typically offer lower hourly wages compared to other side hustles. Rank B. Easy entry, suitable for earning extra cash. Segment 13. Pet sitting and dog walking. Pet sitting and dog walking offer enjoyable and flexible side hustle opportunities for animal enthusiasts. Through apps like Rover or Local Connections, cater to pet owners' needs while earning extra income. Rank B. Flexible hours, ideal for pet lovers. Segment 14. TaskRabbit. Undertake various odd jobs and errands on platforms like TaskRabbit, providing services to individuals and businesses. This side hustle offers versatility and potential supplemental income during leisure time. Rank B. Income varies based on tasks suitable for short-term gigs. Segment 15. Rent out a spare room. Renting out a spare room through platforms like Airbnb maximizes living space potential, particularly in tourist-heavy areas. This serves as a reliable source of passive income with minimal ongoing effort once established. Rank A. Offers passive income potential, especially beneficial in location-dependent markets. Segment 16. Online proofreading and editing. Offer online proofreading and editing services through platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, refining clients' written work. Leverage grammar and editing skills for monetary gain. Rank B. Offers promising income potential, necessitates strong language proficiency. Segment 17. App development. Explore app development with technical acumen, investing in creating innovative mobile applications. While demanding initial investment, a successful app can yield substantial passive income through downloads or in-app purchases. Rank A. High earning potential, contingent on coding skills and market research.